Hi, Lucy. I was just reading this English book, and I am lost. Prepositions are so confusing. On, in, at, by. Why do we even need so many?
Oh, Max, I get it. Prepositions can be tricky, but they're also fun once you understand them. Let me help you out.
Sure, but make it interesting. Don't just throw rules at me. My brain might explode.
Deal. Let's play a little game. I'll give you examples and you tell me if the preposition makes sense. If you get it wrong, you do 10 jumping jacks.
Sounds fun and exhausting. Let's go.
Okay, first one. I put my phone on the table. Is on the right preposition?
Yes, because the phone is touching the surface of the table.
You got it is used when something is on a surface. Easy, right?
Yeah, hit me with another one. In the box? Oh, that's because the cat is inside, surrounded by the box.
Bingo! In is used when something is inside or enclosed. Now, try this one. We'll meet at 5 p.m.
At? That's about time, right?
Correct. At is used for specific times. But we also use at for specific places, like at school or at the mall.
Got it? At for specific times and places. Is it because the train will arrive before or at 8 o'clock?
Yes, you're on fire. By is used when something happens no later than a certain time.
I am feeling smart already.
Great, now let's talk about location prepositions. The picture is hanging above the bed. What's above?
Above means it's higher, but not touching, right?
Exactly, you're catching on fast. How about this? The cat is sitting under the chair.
Easy. Under means below or beneath.
Perfect. And when something is between two things, like the coffee shop is between the library and the bank.
Ha! That one's simple. Between is when it's in the middle of two places.
Brilliant. Now one last one, tricky but fun. I walked through the tunnel.
Through? Oh, that's when you go from one side to another, like walking from one end of a tunnel to the other.
Yes, exactly. You're getting the hang of this, Max.
Thanks, Lucy. That was awesome. And I didn't even have to do any jumping jacks.
You earned it. Prepositions are just little words with big jobs. Just remember how they describe time, place, or direction. And you'll be a pro in no time.
Time, place, and direction. Got it. Thanks, Lucy. Now I feel ready to tackle prepositions like a champ.
Anytime, Max. Now let's go to the park and practice using prepositions in real life.
Let's do it.